Hello and welcome. Today, we will be discussing some essential recovery tips for a smooth post-cataract surgery experience. First and foremost, it's crucial to follow your surgeon's instructions carefully. They know your specific case and will provide the best guidance for your recovery. Make sure to use the prescribed eye drops as directed. These drops help prevent infection and reduce inflammation, which is vital for a speedy recovery. Avoid rubbing or pressing on your eye. It might be tempting, but this can cause complications and delay your healing process. Try to avoid strenuous activities for at least a week. This includes heavy lifting, bending over, or any activity that could increase pressure in your eye. Wearing your protective eye shield while sleeping is essential, especially during the first week. This will help protect your eye from accidental bumps or rubbing during the night. It's also important to attend all your follow-up appointments. These visits allow your surgeon to monitor your healing and address any concerns promptly. Lastly, be patient with your recovery. It's normal for your vision to be blurry initially, but it should gradually improve over the next few days to weeks. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you have a smooth and successful recovery after your cataract surgery.